Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to make some green chili chicken. And this recipe is just kind of off of Texas Roadhouse, our local Texas Roadhouse here in New Mexico. I know not all Texas Roadhouses offer this on their menu, but it's really super delicious. It's really super easy to make. I'm going to show you how to make it. You can use canned green chilies if you can get them, fresh ones, whatever. Anyway, let's get the chicken prepared. We'll come back out, we'll get it on the Blackstone, and we'll get this green chili chicken on the way. Oh, as some sides, we're also going to do some fried green tomatoes and some asparagus. All right, let's get inside. Let's go get this ready. All right, we're breaking out the ManKitchenRecipes mallet. We're just going to flatten out the thick end of these chicken breasts just so they cook evenly. They already have olive oil from being in that bag. And we're just going to sprinkle some SPG on both sides. And that's all the seasoning we're going to use on these today. And after this, we're just going to get them out to the griddle. Okay, so for this chicken, I'm going to light these far to right burners. I'm going to have them just under medium. Since chicken takes a little bit longer to cook, I like to start it kind of like when I do my bacon. You put it on right when you light the grill. So as the griddle is warming up, your chicken is going to start cooking. That gives it a little extra time to get everything cooked on the inside. All right, we will let this go a few minutes. We'll be back. A few minutes going there. Give them a flip. Like they're doing good. We'll let them go for a few more minutes on this side. Alright, while our chicken is cooking up, we're going to put some butter down. And we're going to go ahead and get our asparagus on here. Let it start cooking up. Of course, we will sprinkle some SPG on the asparagus. $132, $47, $154. So it's cooler over here. So I'm going to move these two. Center one's doing pretty good. Okay, so let's take the temp of this one right here now, because I'm going to move this one over to the other side. I'm going to move all the chicken over now. Okay, I'm going to clean up the griddle a little bit, get all that chicken stuff that was stuck on, so I can move the asparagus over and let them cook a little bit longer. Okay, first thing we've got to do is cut up these tomatoes fresh out of the garden. I just picked these today. We'll cut them about a half an inch. All right. Just get flour on them. Just a light coat. Egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Okay, we'll get these done. Be right back. Okay, had to move everything to the left since my grill kind of angles to the left. Put the oil on when I started preparing. Should be hot enough. All right, we're going to get the rest of these done. All right, one last thing to do here. Get our chicken over here. Cheese on the chicken. A little extra. Okay. And the green chili. And then let that melt. We'll squirt some water in there. Okay, let's give them a look. Oh yeah. All right, now we want to get these off of here onto a tray. Look at that. All right, time to eat. Look at that. Fried green tomatoes and some asparagus. Green chili chicken. Monterey Jack and Hatch green chilies. Right, there you go. Green chili chicken, just like Texas Roadhouse in New Mexico. Got a fried green tomato, got some asparagus there. I already cut the end off here so I could take a taste of it. With the green chili and the cheese. Look at that. That is outstanding. Asparagus. Everything. Fried green tomato. I'm just gonna take a bite of it. All of it. But it's so good. Fried green tomatoes. Tomatoes right out of the garden right there. Picked this morning. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. Come back Mondays and Thursdays. Have a great day.